In a world that changes every day, there are places still kept in their natural balance. It begins with a single drop, falling into the blue. It joins the currents that shape life below. Through caves carved by time, past the lungs of the Adriatic that keep the waters alive, to the open sea where countless living beings search for food. We're rising to the surface, observing the wings of seabirds and the shores where life begins again. But this is not endless. What survives tomorrow depends on what we maintain today. From depth to coast, protect what matters. Every species counts. Every habitat matters.